Okay, let's play golf. Come on, my girl. Good girl. Yes. Come on, my little girl. Let's play some golf. You ready? She's ready to play. Come on, let's play some golf. Yeah. You like it. You like your golf, huh? In between chainsaw next door, trimming up the palm trees. You ready to play? Huh? Are you ready to play? Here we go. Here we go. Roxy. Here we go. What are you doing? Yay, bullseye! Oh, a little hard. Try another one. Good girl, good job. You're almost catching that one, huh? Oh, she caught that one. Oh, that one didn't go. Oh, a little too hard. Good girl. Huh? Catching those balls? Huh? You catching those, my little girl? Huh? You catching those? All right. Try some more. Helping Dad out, practicing the game, huh? Good girl.